It's a beautiful day. Let's go find something. Okay, maybe I've been stuck inside too long watching Corey's videos on TikTok. It's May 4th. May the 4th week be with you. And I'm out to grab a geocache, of course. It's not that great of a day today. It's kind of overcast and a little cooler. Saturday was okay. Sunday was excellent. I was out in shorts, but doing yard work and cut the grass and get that stuff all done. So I didn't get out for the May 2nd, May 3rd. So we're out to get the souvenir today for the Big Blue Switch. Fortunately, they have extended it to the end of the year, so it wasn't really a big rush to go get this. So need a letterbox for May to keep my streak going. About the only caches I've found. Did get out and do a Adventure Lab series in London when I was up there delivering masks to the grandkids. Other than that, that's 6 finds for the month of April. Really not good. The good news is they've lifted they've allowed the parks and trails to be open in Norfolk and Haldeman counties here. So I've enabled all my trail caches and park caches, and so did a few other caches, including Cam. And so now I can go grab a local cache here as soon as I find a place to park. This is a puzzle cache. Puzzle letterbox. Had to figure out the puzzle to find out where the cache is. Starting coordinates are way up there, and I have the final down here by this water, which I really didn't know was here. Pretty neat. Water was never here when I was a kid, but this subdivision is all new. A hint is crotch, and they say the coordinates are out a bit. It looks a little mucky back in here, so hopefully it's not too hard of a find. Alright, first tree I checked out over there, where close to the GZ, narrowed me down. No luck. Came over here, and I think we got it here. Very cool. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Alright, opened it up. There's an E stamp in here, and the log, which I stamped with the Simrebel stamp. That's about it for this cache. Alright, so let's put it back, throw some leaves on here, make it less obvious than when I found it. Alright, so there's my letterbox for May, which puts me 6 months in. We'll check it on the side here. And my Blue Switch, Great Blue Switch 2020 Souvenir. So, great having you guys here. Hope you guys are getting out now. Some of the restrictions are being let off around the country. Not sure when this video is being posted. Got a couple in the works now. This week's cache is a mail call. Working on the geocaching challenge for May, and then I'll post this one. So, cache you later. Cache you on the trails. Bye.